Hey everyone, this is Alan here from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i Nightfall Edition in frozen black with the red black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i Nightfall Edition in frozen black. So the Nightfall Edition is a special edition X6. It's only available with the xDrive40i engine, so B58 only. You have three color choices: blue black, ruby black, and of course what we see here, frozen black. So depending on the exterior color, that will determine what the interior color would be, which is either just black or red black as this one is shown. And only on ruby black and frozen black can you get the red calipers. There's an optional advanced driver assist that this one does have, and an optional M performance exhaust that this one does not have. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So we got the beautiful frozen black paint from the factory. Frozen colors look incredible. They will take a little bit more TLC, I think, to keep them looking this way, but they look so cool, and for this to be a factory paint option is pretty awesome. And the frozen colors really show off the body lines, so you can definitely see how defined these lines on the hood really are. We have the rondelle up front here. We have the matte black one-piece kidney grille with the vertical slats, and these behind here do open their active grille shutters. We have the front-facing camera. No front plate bracket right now. Large radar down here. More active grille shutters and functional air going into the wheel wells. And since we're at the front here, I'm just going to press unlock on the key. Let's get the headlights going on here. And full pathway lighting. Perfect. So front end looks good. X6 has a kind of a diamond-shaped kidney grille, and it's hard to see, but it is illuminating all the way around. It's just too bright outside right now. So that is really sweet. If we take a closer look at the headlights, they are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. We have the double chevron design. I think the headlight design looks really good for this generation X6. When we come over here to the side, so just look at that frozen black paint, looks so good. So we do have the 22-inch 742M wheels in jet black with the red M Sport brake there. I love this wheel setup, it looks really good. And with that red M compound brake, it really pops. And if we take a look at the fender, we've got this cutout design. There's a body line that stems from that goes all the way through and up, swooping into the rear door. We have another body line you can see starting here, going across and over the handles. We have carbon fiber side view mirrors here with the integrated turn signal and side camera. We have the sunroof up top. We have the new style antenna. We have this style of door handle with touch comfort access just on the fronts. Windows were also just tinted to give it the Nightfall look. Black window surrounds. There's your rear 742M wheel. We've got the spoiler up here, new style antenna, carbon fiber spoiler on the trunk lid. And if we come to the back here, let's get the tail lights on. So you've got those nice inverted L shapes, BMW rondelle over here. And look, completely debadged. It doesn't say X6 or xDrive40 or anything like that on the back of the car whatsoever. So nice, clean look. We've got the rear view camera down here, and we have the freeform exhaust on each side with the rear diffuser. So since we're back here with the key, I'll give a swift kick underneath the middle of the car. So that opens up the hands-free way. Once it opens up, we have the X6 cargo cover here to hide your contents. This can be folded up. It can also be removed completely if you want to store it underneath here. We also have tow hook, wheel lock key, more storage space. We've got carpeted mats, front plate bracket, and we've got 4 tie down areas here. There's also a 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, and down here we have your tire inflator kit. And once we're done with this, you can fold this back out to hide your contents. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle here so we can have this close the hands-free way. Now when we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a little spot here to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, shut the door. Now if I go ahead and open up that rear door, so you'll see that we've got the Tacora red, black, Vernosca leather interior, nice stitching going across, sunshades. We've got window switch here, ambient light. We have carbon fiber, speaker, door pockets, illuminating aluminum M door sill. We have a little stirrup to tie up your seat belts. So if you do fold down the seats, which you can do on the shoulder here in a 60-40 split, the seat belts don't get in the way. And we also have an armrest in the center, storage, cup holders. And there's also a pass-through through the center by pulling the string down that's exposed once the armrest is down. Up top, we have some lights. There's also Alcantara headliner. And we also have accessory port here. There's a little storage area. And we've got some rear climate controls with heated seats in the two outer positions, a little storage space, 12-volt plug. Winter mats are in with some illumination and more vents down there. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the front door next. All right, if we open up the door on the front passenger side, we've got Harman Kardon sound system. We've got the nice stitching on the door handle, window switch, carbon fiber, ambient light, speaker, big pockets for your Yeti, aluminum M, illuminating door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. Let's have a nice look at these seats here. And we also have carbon fiber on the dash, soft touch materials with stitching going across, new vent design, interaction light, glove box. We have the curved display with iDrive 8.5 there. And we've got vents here, a couple of physical buttons. If I open this up, we have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders that are heated and cooled, 12-volt plug. We have glass iDrive controller, gear shifter, and push start button. And nice stitching going across here. If I press this, we have a split opening with a USB Type-C charging port inside of there. So let's shut that. We will open the door on the other side, but I wanted to show you this. So the Nightfall Edition also gives you the soft closed doors. So let's go to the other side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me just open up the door here. So windows were just tinted, so we can't open them up. But underneath here, we do have all 4 window controls. That button makes it so only the windows can be controlled by the driver. Side mirror controls, tailgate open, close. This button makes it so the driver's seat operates the passenger seat, memory, unlock, lock. And down here, more carbon fiber, more pockets, more aluminum, illuminating M door sill, full power seat again, with lumbar and side bolster. And up top you can see we've got these little dots here. That's for the Sky Lounge sunroof, so whatever ambient light color you select will also appear in the sunroof. And we have your steering wheel here with M at 6 o'clock. Got cruise control things and audio control things, paddle shifters. So this does have the full advanced driver assist cruise control. So you can do cruise control, mitigating the speed, distance to the car in front of you, steers for you, change lanes for you. And if you're using the BMW navigation, it can also start changing lanes automatically to get to your exit based on your destination. And it has all the self-parking, so automatic back park, front park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot, pre-record a parking path. All of that comes with the Nightfall Edition. And over here you'll see that we have exterior lighting controls, a little storage compartment, hood release down here, so it's 2 pulls. So when we get to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. We just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. We have 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal is right here. Negative battery terminal is this post here. Washer fluid goes in there. What a beast, and it looks so clean with this frozen setup. What do you think? Looks cool. So before we conclude the video, I'm gonna do a lap all the way around. I hope they decide not to put the front plate bracket on because it does look pretty sweet like this. Yeah, this thing looks really good. And now that we're at the back, let's do a little remote engine start, cold start. So I've got the key with me, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. So the startup is extremely quiet because it uses the mild hybrid battery to do that. And then it's just got that little B58 grumble now. So I'm gonna 1, 2, 3 again to shut off the remote engine start. There we go. So, how do you like the Nightfall Edition? Would you choose frozen black with this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X6 xDrive40i Nightfall Edition in frozen black with the Tacora red, black, Vernosca leather interior, and advanced driver assist. So, if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.